A brief explanation of artificial intelligence. AI refers to the development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It has the potential to revolutionize many areas of society, including healthcare, transportation, education, and manufacturing. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, and general AI, which has the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. While narrow AI is already being used in a variety of applications, such as self-driving cars and language translation, the development of general AI is still an active area of research. AI has the potential to greatly enhance human productivity and capabilities, but it also raises ethical and social concerns, such as the potential for job displacement and the need for responsible use and regulation. AI is a complex and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to transform many aspects of society. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.